foggy morning out here. Day 2 starts now. We're gonna get the rest of this unit here plated out, keep on moving forward. Fox is gonna be the star of the show for the morning.
Oh God.
Oh God. And on this episode of MattBangsWood. So I made a mistake this morning. My work boots are in my work truck, but I drove my dad's truck today because I'm buying his truck from him. And my work boots are still in the utility truck. Luckily, he's driving that today, so as soon as he gets here, I'll be able to change out of my slippers. Fail of the day. So real quick, I've shown this in previous videos before. We'll stand our piece up right here, mark both sides of the anchor bolt. You end up with these 2 lines here to reference. So then we're gonna pull from our red line to center of bolt. This one's 5 5/8. You're gonna pull backwards this way, 5 5/8, and mark it there. Once that's drilled, this plate flips. All the markings on this plate are down to concrete. Then you have a nice clean slate to do all your detailing. About 11 o'clock right now. We just finished all of our plating. We are gonna grab some hoses out, some guns, get to framing. If you look along here, we've got all this rebar sticking up. We need to somehow figure out how we can get up and over that to pick that wall up, pick that wall up, that one over there. I originally reached out and asked if they could just wait on that wall. It's gonna be a 5-course block wall. They said that they couldn't and it had to go in. I don't see why, but it's in. We have to work around it though and make the best of it. Do you want to do it?
Yeah. I'm laborer.
No, you're not. You're an apprentice framer.
Well, I do the same thing.
Yeah, you're right. 17 foot 6 1/8.
Yep.
So that's what we want to do.
We were like 16 1/4. Or
yeah, 6 1/4, 6 1/8, 6, and then
yeah,
about 6.
So that puts us right in the middle. So 17 foot 1 1/2.
17 foot 1 1/2. 205 1/2 is our number. What the f?
Your job is
You had one job.
the take. See, your apprenticeship is done.
Yeah, you're a toast. Need to push this plate over a little bit. We're about ready. Oh, you ain't gotta hold it for me. You're good. You're good. Thank you.
I think we need that whole panel. What's wrong? I'm trying to stand up.
Yeah.
Okay. Holy sh**, you little first wall. LSL stud framing is really nice. Everything is super straight. Don't have big crowns like you would with Doug fir. Now the fun begins. We have blocking every 32 inches all the way up the wall for the whole length of the wall everywhere, to where they can do their exposed nailing on their board and bat. So in total we have 6 block lines whole length of the wall, just flat blocking going in. And then we have 10-foot shear, so we've got 3/4 inch down from 10 foot. That's gonna get snapped across there. The downside for right now is we only have red chalk. To be honest, we don't use anything else. Since the sides of these are all orange, we're kind of screwed. So on lunch, we're gonna grab some black chalk and we'll be good to go.
Yeah, why are these all different?
Question for you guys.
Yes.
How'd you lay out your block lines?
Top of block. Next one. Yep, same thing all the way. Throw me one of those blocks, Q. Thank you. We finished out day 2 here at about 4 o'clock right now. Since we're getting here at 7 o'clock, I have to leave my house right around 5:15, 5:30. A little bit of a drive to get here, but it's all worth it. This place is gonna go up quick. It's gonna be a blast. Today we finished plating the rest of this place over here. We started framing over here. Check that out right now. We've got block lines every 32 inches all the way up the wall. Now halfway through blocking out our first wall, the builder wanted us to change our blocks from 32 and down to 32 and up. So halfway through, you guys are gonna be able to see that the block line changes. There's a lot of blocks to put in this place. And then boom, shifts up. These ones carry on out here. All the blocks make it look cool. Really is one hell of a project though. Stoked to be out here. Hate the drive, love the work. Today, since we finished plating and detailing over here, we didn't hop to framing over there until right around 11:30, 12ish, which is when we took lunch. Tomorrow when we show up, it's gonna be go-go time. We're gonna finish up that wall, keep on trucking on that unit, but you guys already know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, drop a comment, ask any questions you have that are building related. I will see you guys in our next video. Bang on.